Updating your billing information on GoodRx is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the GoodRx website or open the app and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile icon or a settings gear. Step 3. Find billing information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this section to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, be sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on GoodRx. Regularly checking your details can help avoid any interruptions in service.